Guys, welcome back to my channel. So here I am with an interesting fish recipe. This is a traditional Assamese cuisine which is very interesting and super easy. These are the two important ingredients of the recipe. The left one is stinkvine, which we locally call as Bhedailota, and the curry leaves, which is called Narahinho. So first step is to form the green paste mixture for the gravy of the fish. So I have taken around half a king chili, which has been added according to your taste. Then I have washed together some stinkvine leaves and some curry leaves, which I will now add into the mixer grinder and grind this into a very smooth paste. Add cloves of garlic and ginger. This is the green paste which we will put into the curry. Add mustard oil into a pan. Add some chopped onions to the oil. And then in goes this green paste. Now you'll add salt according to your taste. Some turmeric powder. And some cumin powder. When this is cooked, add one mashed potato. Add some water and boil. When this curry has come to a good boil, I'll add the already fried pieces of my fish gently into the curry. Let this boil for around 5 to 10 minutes. Guys, the aroma coming out of this is really heaven. And yes, the fish curry is ready. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updated with new videos.